Did you know the TH is not an ordinary digraph? It is a special digraph. For TH, it has the ability to produce three sounds, and they are second one and the third one. So, digraphs have two letters, but digraphs make one sound. Normally, letter T we say t, t, t. Okay, so letter H we say pull the letters together and you hear the new sounds. You hear the three sounds in these words. Okay, Thames, Thames, Thames. Second one, thousand, thousand, thousand. Third one, there, there. Everybody, digraphs have two letters, but digraphs make one sound.